Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Martin Luther Christian University Shillong haringkat ke jing trelang bat ke office jong ke state coordinator Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya katnat urban affairs bat ke Shillong Municipal Board kila sedang ya ke jing pencai pai ba halor ke jing keta jong ki plastik ya ka bor mariang ya ki saudong saukun jong ke ri bat kumju ya ke jing em jong ki jing thau ba em bat khamtam ya ke jing em jong ki brio ban pensuthu shai shi ki pai ba ke Department of Environment and Traditional Ecosystems DETE, Department of Tourism and Travel Management DTTM, but Department of Social Work DSW, jong ka Martin Luther Christian University, but ki volunteer jong ka Needs Shillong kilahiar sya ka yo khandai lat ka badan hapadeng jong ka sor Shillong ban penlong ya ka jingelang ka balingkot ya ka bala pli dau director katnat urban affairs haringkat ka jingedan lang uba elingkhoi superintendent engineer ka public health engineering but state coordinator SBM Gramin uba Mark West consultant sanitation and water ka Sarkar Jilla USL Singhania nongpet ka police bazar but uba Nicholas ubolong radio jockey jongka 91.1 FM Radio Mirchi.
In connection with the program or the campaign that we are going to launch today in Shillong, it's called Himalayan Cleanup, and it is in fact a campaign launched today, or it's being launched today in all the 12 mountain states of the region to ensure a plastic-free world.
As you have just mentioned that it's a Herculean task, Himalayan task. You know, Himalayan task is very Herculean task. And at the same time, you see, Herculean task maybe, but if the effort of everybody, all of us, one of us, not only one of us, but all of us, if we take up this mission to clean up our city, clean up our localities, I think that will go a long way in cleaning not only our state, but the country as a whole.
The Himalayan Cleanup, a journey towards zero waste. At an individual level, I pledge to understand how my everyday lifestyle matters and how my actions are contributing to the problem of waste. I will reflect on my lifestyle choices and choose to reduce the use of unnecessary plastics in my life. At a community level, we the people of the India Himalaya pledge to take strong measures to free our mountains from the burden of plastic waste, from everyday use and evolving sustainable waste management strategies and practices. As mountain people, we demand for policies that support design systems which are circular in nature. Having made these changes in our personal lives, we will strive to influence our families, friends and peers. We strongly advocate for polluting companies to be responsible for the plastic trash they are leaving behind in our mountains. We remain deeply connected and forever proud of our mountains. Very good.
Hadian kini jingelang lapelong ya ke jingtam ya ki plastik bela bret pathar da ki pajba ha khandai lat ka balong ka yo khai ka baju tram bha man la kasni.